quality. I made this video and the quality was terrible. So I'm remaking it with my old recorder for doing videos. Like maybe I just had the settings wrong or something. But anyway, I'm remaking the part 3 making a calculator video. So let's get started. In Eclipse, make a new class, name it, let's call it Remake. Okay, there we go. Okay, and you're going to want to make an extra line. Go to the first line, and you're going to want to type in import. This is going to be kind of like the same thing, except not with JavaX. It's going to be java.util.scanner. Now, from there, you're going to want to put, you're going to want to put a semicolon. And then inside the parentheses here, you're going to want to go public, static, and this is like in all of them, void, main, and in parentheses, capital string, args, and square brackets. And then at the end of that, put a semicolon. I mean, not a semicolon, open, close bracket, squiggly bracket. Then inside there, you're going to want to make, instead of typing .scanner, we're going to want to recognize it. So my IO equals new, am I doing this right? Yeah, new scanner. And then in parentheses, you're going to want to do capital system dot in. And then parenthesis, make a new line, and you're going to want to go double, and this is a little tip, and fnum for first number. You can literally make this almost anything, and like most people you might see will do this, and then they'll do their second one, and then they'll do a third one, but this is a little shortcut. So you can make it all on one line. You put a comma, then space, then you do snum, this for second number, comma, space, answer. That's a little shortcut. And at the end of that, you put a semicolon. Make a new line. You just registered those. Now you can go capital system dot out, and this is going to be like displaying something. Displaying, you'll see. Okay, dot out, and then print dot print ln, print line, and then in parentheses you're going to want to put what it's going to say up. So then you're going to want to make quotes. Then inside there you're going to want to make whatever you say. So enter first number, semicolon. Wait, is it? Yeah, enter first number, semicolon. Then you're going to want to go fnum. This is saying whatever you enter, it's going to store it into fnum, first number. So you go fnum equals my IO dot next, capital double, and then in parentheses, then parentheses, go outside of them, make semicolon. Now you should just have that yellow, no errors if you've done everything so far. Now, you're going to want to copy the system.out and paste it under here. That's Control-C for copy. And then do the same for here, and Control-V for paste. Now you're going to want to change first to second, or whatever you want it to say. And then fnum, since you don't want to rewrite that, you want to make it fsnum. So now it's storing it to snum. So now, once you type in the numbers, there'll be a number stored to fnum and a number stored to snum. Now, the next line is going to show what answer equals. So answer equals fnum. This is the number that represents fnum that you inputted. And now this can be add, multiply, subtract, and divide. I am going to do multiply. Then, so fnum times snum. The first number you entered times the second number. And you're going to want to just do semicolon. Now under that, now you have to make it show that. So now you can copy and paste this again. The system out. Actually, no. System dot out dot print line. Now in the parentheses, you're going to put answer. So it's displaying whatever answer equals. And answer equals fnum times snum. And snum and fnum equal whatever you entered. So yeah, it's pretty basic, simple, if you think about it. Pretty simple. Now, you're pretty much all done. So you can save it and run it, and then and then run it, and enter first number popped up. That is this line. So let's enter 56. Click enter. Enter second number. That is this line. And by the way, whatever you type in is being stored. The first thing that you type in is being stored here. The second thing you type in is being stored here. So times 235. Click enter, and there's your answer right there. And so it goes through and says, okay, he entered, or you entered these two numbers to save to fnum and snum. Now, when you type that in, it's saving it to there. Then it goes through this code here. It's saying answer equals fnum times snum. And then this is saying display answer. And so it displayed the answer. And then you can do this again. And to make it, you can just make it add. So let's make it add. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. And it can also do decimals. So 5.5 plus 5.5 equals 11, because that's half a number plus half a number. And then you got 10. You got 5 plus 5, that's 10, and then half a number plus half a number, that's 11. So yeah. Thanks for watching my videos. Rate, comment, and subscribe. This is Mega Miner signing out until next time. Bye.